Right now, let's talk about how you can use voice chat on the iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now, apparently, of course, if you go to the messages application as usual, you can go to any chats really. And in order to initiate like the voice chat, you can see that right next to the text field, we have like a microphone icon, but that is for the dictation, right? So if you want to send an audio message, you need to tap on the plus button and select the audio, right? So you can just record your voice and then send it as part of the regular iMessage conversation, right? So you can initiate the voice chat like that. Outside of that, you should also know that there are some things outside of this. Obviously, you can use like Instagram or, Facebook Messenger and all of these other services when you can send voice messages as well, right? So there are plenty of different platforms. However, one thing to pay attention to is the microphone permissions, because this could somehow prevent you from sending the voice messages. So on your iPad's settings, go to the privacy and security section where the microphone selection can be found, right? So you can find it in here and essentially make sure that those apps you like want to use the voice chat on has the microphone enabled. Like for example, as I mentioned, like the Instagram, right? Or I don't know, like Google Meet or whatever else you want to use with your voice needs to have it enabled right there. So that would be about it, right? I just quickly wanted to explain how it works. So in case you have some specific questions, let me know about those below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.